Developing new products and components in small volumes can present a familiar challenge to industry. Manufacturers need to protect existing income-generating production while avoiding the cost and risk of investing in specialist equipment for limited runs or prototyping. The Precision Manufacturing Centre at Nottingham provides a practical route to de-risking new product development without disrupting daily operations. The PMC is a unique R&D facility operating within an academic environment in the UK, purpose-built to support industry with complex subtractive manufacturing challenges. As an ISO 9001 certified facility, it offers a trusted, production-focused environment where businesses can develop, refine, and validate new products and components. Our team brings extensive industrial experience, combining deep technical knowledge with a practical understanding of real manufacturing constraints. We work collaboratively to deliver unbiased advice and hands-on support, from early consultation and process development through to prototype manufacture and small batch production. We specialise in tackling the most demanding manufacturing challenges, including precision machining, process optimization, and high accuracy measurement and inspection. Our state-of-the-art capability enables machining to positional accuracies of plus or minus 0.5 microns, using techniques such as 5-axis milling, turning, and electrical discharge machining. We also deliver measurement and inspection down to plus or minus 0.1 microns, using both contact and non-contact metrology methods. We work with organisations across all sectors, including aerospace, automotive, energy, medical, nuclear, and pharmaceutical manufacturing, plus many others. Through our work with industrial partners, we have supported the creation of new income streams, accelerated routes to market, and unlocked new commercial opportunities. To find out more about our capabilities and explore our case studies, visit our website. We welcome new inquiries and look forward to discussing how the Precision Manufacturing Centre can support your business.